boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have FONTAINES D.C. here with a song called Cello Song, and this is originally by Nick Drake, but we will cover the FONTAINES song here. So I'm gonna give you the basics for this song. It's a cool song, but many elements here. So just the basics to handle the different parts. First, we will go clean here, no need for any capo, and we'll use 4 different chords. So let's go over the chords. We have first a bar chord here, that's a C minor. You place a bar on the 3rd fret over all strings, except from the last E here, so 5 strings from bottom them up like this on 3rd fret, and the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. We have C next. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Another bar chord now, F, so place a bar of all strings on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally we have the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so we will look at the basic strumming pattern first, and that will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So grab the C, we can start with that chord. So down, down, up, down, up. So with tempo, a couple of rounds. So we have first a special thing here with the C minor. So we have these notes. I showed you that in the introduction of the tutorial. The notes goes like this. And you try to build in that in the strumming pattern. So you play C minor. Then you build in the notes. So it goes from the C minor grip, and the notes will be first on the 4th fret B string. You hold that with your middle finger. Then it's 3rd fret on B string. You just release it to get it from the bar. Then it's 5th on the G string. You get that from your little pinky. Then it's 3rd on the G string. You just release it to get it from the bar. 3rd G, then back to 3rd B, there you have the 3rd B from the bar, and then finally the 5th G from the pinky. So the notes will be 4th B, 3rd B, 5th B, G, 3rd G, 3rd B, and 5th G. Yeah, so that's how you handle that part. And then we have a special thing here with the C here. You can just play it as it is. Then we have 3 notes. It goes like this. Okay, so you find the notes here on the 1st fret B string, then open E, and open B. So the 1st B notes here, you go from the strumming pattern on the 1st down, Then the second note will be the open E string. You play the down up from the strumming pattern, and here you go with the open E on the up. This one, and then the final note, the open B string. And there you get the one from the final up, down, up. So. So there you have the kind of notes you need for the different chords here, the C minor and the C, and the rest is just plain strumming. That's what we're gonna look at now, finally. So you play the C, just plain strumming pattern here, C4, then F2, then C2. Repeat that again, so C4, and F2 and C2, okay? Then we'll go on to alternate the C and F many times there. So C2, then F2, C2, F2, then C4, and F2, C2, now comes the D minor, 4, and finally C4. And that is the main part, and there's a lot of songs, like I'm not talking about music around this part here. Just show you that this is the main part here. So you have the chords, the tools you need for handling this song. It's up to you to build up this on your own. So yeah, that pretty much covers Fontaine's cover on Nick Drake's Cello Song here. So good luck with this one, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Play tuned.